Check two. Finally finished one of Paul's builds here. I call it Purple Rain. And it's all got gold hardware and everything. I soldered up the pickups. And it plays and stuff, and I'm pretty amazed. It plays as good as it does. But I still gotta intonate it and adjust everything. But it's already playing. Not too shabby. It kind of looks pretty good too. But anyway, I gotta pull this plastic on. But this is like the first one out of all the miscellaneous parts. I also put this one together, which is pretty nice. Another Strat with a. And I wired it up and all that. I put slick 64 pickups in this, I think. But this one plays really good, and it sounds okay. And I also threw together this one, which it was a good body, with nice checking and everything. It's all old, but and this is a photo flame finish, so this like striping is like a picture. They took a picture of it and put it on there, it's pretty cool though. But this one was just a bunch of parts. And I just try to match up the best neck to the best body and this and that, and then get it going. And they just happened to turn out white. Oh, and I guess I got my slick to go. This one's got to go back together too, but it's getting there. And I got one. Yeah, I got a few more Strats that can finish building. But man, I'm pretty jazzed. This is the first one that really plays good, and I was worried that they're gonna be pretty junky or something, but this one plays pretty good.